Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Custodian of Earth. On today's video, we're going to be taking the Ford Mustang Mach E to the Adirondack Mountains, to the Thousand Islands, just a tour of the United States. Join me for this ride. I'm just starting up my vehicle, getting our drive on to the Thousand Islands. Going to do some kayaking, possibly some fishing. But I just want to show you the process here. Currently leaving my house, but show you guys where to. It's actually called Clayton NY, and this should calculate the ride. About a 4-hour drive. Hopefully.
Obey traffic laws. Be alert and use voice commands while driving. Please drive to highlighted route.
What I like to do too is zoom out. It gives us 2 chargers. I just like to see what chargers first. So first charger is in Rochester. What I do is I click that, Waterloo Premium Outlets, and what I do then is I go to my phone. I'll show you in a second here. I should go to my phone. Hang on. Go here. Type in premium outlet, which is 91 miles, and it says that I have 143 miles, so that's definitely more than enough to get there.
2, 3, let's go!
Good morning everyone, just car camped tonight in my Ford Mustang Mach E. We are along the Thousand Islands on the New York side. On the opposite side in Canada, we are right along the US-Canada border. On the Canadian side, this is actually a national park, a Thousand Islands National Park, but we are on the American side. It's not designated as a national park, but the area is still beautiful. We're here watching the sun rise. I just car camped the night in this text rest area in New York. You are allowed to spend 8 hours sleep in these rest stops in New York. For those of you who haven't been following my channel, this is the setup I have here. Little sleeping bag, little inflatable air mattress, this curtain here, which I could actually take down right now. It's too nice to block the light out. I also have covers for all the windows. I have a windshield cover as well, but it's pretty roomy in here. Let's grab some drone shots. Let's show you guys some areas. I'm going to show you guys the sun rising and actually some clips of the sunset when I got here late